Hello, little stars. Welcome to our magical Christmas story time. Tonight, we're going on a journey to a world filled with twinkling lights, sparkling snowflakes, and surprises hiding behind every Christmas tree. Let's watch the story of Santa's smallest helper. In the North Pole, where snowflakes dance like tiny silver feathers, Santa's workshop was busier than ever. Elves were wrapping gifts, painting toys, and tying shiny ribbons. Among them was Pip, the smallest elf in all of Santa's workshop. Pip was cheerful and fast, but because he was small, the bigger elves often said, "Pip, you can't lift that toy," or "Pip, you're too tiny for this job." Pip tried not to feel sad, but deep inside, he wished he could do something important for Christmas. One snowy morning, Santa gathered all the elves. "Ho, ho, ho, ho! Tonight is Christmas Eve," Santa announced. "But we have a little problem. One of the magic jingle bells from my sleigh is missing." All the elves gasped. Without all the magic bells, Santa's sleigh wouldn't be able to fly around the world. "We must find it," Santa said, stroking his long white beard. The elves searched the workshop, the candy cane forest, even the hot cocoa hut, but no bell. Pip wanted to help, but everyone rushed past him. Still, Pip whispered to himself, "I may be small, but I can still try." He searched carefully, checking places the tall elves couldn't reach: tiny drawers, small corners, and little shelves. Finally, Pip spotted a sparkle behind a snow globe on Santa's desk. There it was, the missing magic jingle bell. It had rolled into a tiny space where no one else could see. Pip picked it up, holding it like a treasure. "It's warm. It still has its magic." He rushed to Santa. "Santa! Santa, I found it!" Santa's eyes twinkled brighter than Christmas lights. "Well done, Pip! You've saved Christmas!" All the elves cheered. "Pip found the bell! He saved the sleigh!" Santa lifted Pip onto his shoulder. "You may be small, Pip, but you have a mighty heart. That's what truly matters." That night, Santa placed Pip in a special seat beside him on the sleigh. And as they flew across the starry sky, the little magic bell jingled loudly, clear and bright thanks to the smallest elf with the biggest courage. Little ones, always keep this in your mind. No one is too small to make a big difference. Bravery, kindness, and trying your best are what truly matter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.